Choose wisely. Safety needs to move to a new paradigm from being operated on a software system, primitive or advanced, and transitioning to a complete SMS. Excel, retain your legacy software, have a new QHSC software, or go in for a real complete safety management system. Now you may say, hang on a moment, I haven't even migrated to a safety software and now you're pitching me a complete platform? No, this is not a pitch. It's preparing you for a progressive transition from legacy to the Kavach and then to an SMS. Safety and terminal leadership understand that while audit and compliance may be a chore, it is a fundamental component of alignment and performance. And underpinning your compliance and audit are various ISO standards. And to meet these comprehensive ISO standards, you must have an SMS. A safety management system comprises of 15 core areas of terminal safety and compliance, often done in fragments and in an ad hoc manner or not at all. Now, a significant part of the SMS is already in the Kavach, but we too need to evolve and grow to serve you better and to ensure that your compliance and enhanced safety is taken care of. When you look at the SMS matrix, you as a safety professional recognize these facets and understand their importance. What the SMS is doing is it is systematically creating repositories, review schedules, building integrations and awareness, and thereby achieving best practices for your safety environment. The Kavach has a lot of the components of a modern SMS already built in. However, we now have an active project to create best-in-class components of the SMS table that may not have been there, whether it is legal or enhancing our risk assessment or relooking at our documentation management. But we will certainly be enhancing the Kavach with new modules for training, objectives, emergency response, etc. And I hope we can reach out to you for support in this. My name is Arjun and I'm the CEO of Quantum. We bring you Kavach and soon a complete SMS.